On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on, Otter Gang? Gang. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully we're all doing well. That beautiful pink box. Why do we, every time I come on here, I seem to be talking about our beautiful pink box. It just seems to be like a really good one, you know? Incredible. You know, sideways price action yesterday, SFP, couple of trades, couple of longs, long on fart coin of all coins. But what a choppy day. Also, Bitcoin pushing up overnight. This is typically a fake out, but you know, it seems to be quite strong right now. So we'll be looking for a pullback and stuff. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful morning. Let's see some otters in the chat. Much love and good morning, gang. Let's go. Good to see you all in the chat here. What's going on, everybody? Yeah, I mean, the pink box, front running the pink box. I seen you guys yesterday front running the pink box. Beautiful. Was able to take a little long in here, stopped it in profits, and then went to bed. A couple of scalps in here, but nothing big. Had like a $400 day yesterday, $400. So not a bad day, not a great day. I mean, the moves, like if you extracted $400 out of this, you've done okay. This was obviously the move. We had a break of momentum here. I took the long in here. This was a good SFP, but at the end of the day, it wasn't an easy trading day yesterday. So if you did extract some profits out of it yesterday, good job. I know Django's probably schlonging on TRX, and I don't know, what else are you trading, Django? Are you trading Bitcoin yet? Eventually you'll come over to the dark side, Django. I know it's in you. I know. You'll see. One more rug from TRX. Shout out to the gang, man. Good to see everybody in here. Hopefully you're all doing well, everybody, and let's go. There we go. I like to see that, Django. Let's go, baby. Much love, everybody. You guys all want tutorials? Come on, man. We got so many tutorials, it's going out of style. What's going on, Le Duong Tuan Min? What's going on, man? ETH will pump to 2,700. Okay, that's sweet. I like that. Good morning, Big. I got Big in the chat, guys. He's taking up the whole chat. Django was before you, though. I see Django in the chat there. Shri and good morning, Quick Smoker, Jesse, Buck, Zena with the pink hand. Where have you been, Zena? We've missed your pink hand. Good to see you in the chat. What's going on to my Aussies? Quick Smoker. What's going on, Buck? Good to see you, man. Chat Master, good morning. Good to see you. Curtis Neal in the chat. What's going on, bro? How you doing? He's saying smash those likes, everybody. So I would listen to Curtis Neal. Not financial advice. This is never financial advice, but Curtis Neal is giving you solid advice, okay? Solid advice from Curtis Neal. Thank you for being here all the time, brother. Good to see you. Bitcoin getting a push up, getting everybody euphoric. We had a sell wall in here. The gang knew. Okay, the gang knew. Maybe some of them are short. Let me know. Did the gang short the sell wall? We just knew. Good day, gents. How's the gang doing? Good, George. Good to see you, man. Fakir, good morning. All good to see you, bro. How you doing? Thank you for being here, everybody. Jesse, what's going on, man? How you been? How you been, Jesse? Hopefully, I think you said you weren't feeling too well, so hopefully you're feeling better, man. Aaron Hinton, good morning. Good to see you. F-Bomb, what's going on? Vinga Vinga. Moin Moin. Moin Moin. Let's go, Vinga Vinga. Moin Moin. Good morning, Alexander G. Have a beautiful day as well. Gang, gang, gang. Much love to you, Alexander G. F-Bomb. James A. Monetti. Good morning, familia. Django's in the chat. Dan, number one Dan. I think Dan Bartley's the number one Dan. Let's put a 1 in the chat if Dan Bartley is the number one Dan. Because we got a bunch of Dans in here. Like, this is like Dan Central. I guess Dan's like trading. Maybe I should name, if I have another boy, I'll name him Dan. No, I don't want to subject him to this life. I don't know. I think if I taught my child to trade from a very young age and have good, probability risk mindset, compounding, that kind of like non-emotional trading, I think I could create a money-making machine. But I wouldn't want to do that to him. I just want to do it so that they don't have to do it. You know what I mean? What's going on, Milan? Mr. Pirates? Are we pillaging today? Yeah, absolutely, man. Always here for a good, what they call it, booty, don't they? We're here for is it a booty? For a boot? What do they call it? A booty. What's going on, man? Good to see you, Django Chatmaster in here. Good to see you, Alexander G. Fakir. BMK, what's going on? Rashad, good morning. Nick Bam, good morning. Good to see you. Andrew Cameron, my brother. Good to see you, man. How you doing over there? It's hot in Canada, man. It's not acceptable. It's like moist hot. It's like humid hot. It's that stick to you. What's going on, Dusty? Good to see you, man. Joan, what's going on? Good morning to you. Good to see you in the chat as well. Django Frost, Dog, Billionaire, evening from Australia. Okay. Crypto Pondering, good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. Daniel, see, there's another Dan. We got another Daniel. I think 1994. There's 2 other Dans. There's 4 in total that I remember. Dan, Daniel, Dan, and Dan Bartley. Okay. Dean, you're close enough to being a Dan. What's going on, Dean Ellie? Good to see you as well. Gains for life. Good morning, Bob. Oi, it's the guy from Chart Hackers. What's going on, Bob Jane? Yes, I do teach in Chart Hackers. Mondays and Wednesdays, yeah. I spoon feed the chart hackers as well, man. Can we do updates while we tip for actions? Ooh, that sounds enticing. We can do tutorials. I think we're gonna pump out some shorts, man. I'm gonna pump out some shorts, and some short, hopefully on some like lessons, some little tricks and tips on the shorts, and then I think you guys really like the 10-minute update, like the quick update. I don't know. We were doing like recaps too, like recaps of the trading day and what we saw and how we took the trades, and we could do trade recaps as well. There's a bunch of options. I just want to bring you guys a couple more pieces of content. I just want to ramp it up for you guys. Jesse loves that beautiful pink box. Gains for life. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Ando Poncho. Good morning, gang. Good to see you. Buck as well. Marcus, Steve, Hickey. What's going on? Dan's the original Dan? Okay, no, I guess not. Steve Hickey, DDT. Darren, you got to message me. Darren does things. Darren doing things. Message me, Discord. I'm going to message you right now. DDT, let me find you. I'm going to message you right now because we got to coordinate. Coordinate. Okay? I got to find you. Meet up. I messaged you. All right, rolling over here. Looking to come down to this order block here. A little bit overextended on Bitcoin price action right now. Your trapped ETH long is back in the green. Let's go, Alpha. Awesome, man. Let's go, Alpha. No fake out. New York give long entry. It's full sandy. Yeah, okay. Let's go, baby. I'm down. I'm down, Darren. Crypto Surfer, what's going on, bro? Good morning. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Thank you for being here. Trader G. Good morning, sir. I don't know if I'm old enough to be called a sir yet. I'm 35. Am I old enough to be called sir? I have a son and a wife. I guess I could be sir. I would like it pronounced sir, though, like British kind of. Sir. Good evening, sir. Good morning, sir. Yes. Please, sir, we'd like some more. Yeah, it's got to be pronounced sir. JRMO, what's going on? James Simpson, good to see you. Up to the sky, Noob Gecko. Chris, good morning to you, man. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Neil, Blair Stevenson, Steve Hickey, Ace Sync. What's going on, Australia, mate? He's from Cairns. He's from Sydney. He's from Melbourne. I don't know. I lived in Sydney for a year. I like capsicums. I like cockatoos. Cock or two. We had galahs. I saw one of the coolest things I saw in Australia. I do have a selfie with a kangaroo. But I was in one of the national parks. I saw a yellow and black cockatoo. And I swear to God, this thing was bigger than an eagle. Okay? This thing must have been, so meters-wise, probably 2.5 meters. Feet-wise, that's probably 5 feet. Like, an absolute beast. I saw it flying, and I thought it was a pterodactyl because it's got, like, these crazy wings, man. But I saw one of these in a national park with my wife, and it looks like a pterodactyl. It's really cool, man. I don't know what's going on in Australia. There's something in the air there. There's definitely something with the sun there. But they are massive, but really cool looking, man. We also had galahs. So a galah, let me get this off here. I don't want to show you my search history. It's kind of dangerous. A galah is like a pink and gray cockatoo. These are just hanging out these are like pigeons at the park, guys. This is just hanging out at the park. Okay? We had a couple of these, a whole bunch of them at the park near us in Sydney. Okay? And then you have lorikeets. Okay? And the lorikeets are it's like Pride Month all year round. These things are like your sparrow. They just land on your balcony. They come and say hi. These things are like a dime a dozen, okay? Then, my friends, the worst part about it is there's these things. They're called an ibis, but they're known as bin chickens, okay? A bin chicken you out. Now, a bin chicken is called an ibis. They look like they walk through the parks and they eat all the garbage. These things belong in Jurassic Park, okay? It's called a bin chicken, also known as an ibis. And these things, oh my, first time I seen one, oh my God. I've been checking you out. These things they're big. They're like the size of a Canadian goose. And they're everywhere. And they're disgusting. Oh, Australia. You got to go, man. You got to go. You got to go. Shout out to my Aussies out there, man. I've been checking you out. All right. Well, we've done our bird watching for the day. We looking at pink boxes and gone bird watching. Oh man, good times in Australia, man. So now that we've done bird watching, hawk tua, hawk yeah. Let's keep going here, baby. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Bob, Chantel, AlexOCrypto, Curtis Hill, Lucky Deal. What's going on, man? Good to see you as well. Good to see you, Jesse, Rob S. Good morning to you guys. Thank you guys for saying good morning, smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new. Yo, Nell, what's going on? Crypto, Rob, Jesse, Sue. Hey, yo, what's going on, man? Good to see you, Kev, Alpha, Jesse, Wolf, and Bear. Let's go, baby, Kev. Let's go, baby. We all looking at these birds this morning. So we did a little bit of an Australian bird watch, which is always a good time. Okay, we got a whole heap of people in here, 182 people, 61 likes. Thank you for being here. AlexOCrypto live, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading this crazy-ass token Bitcoin every single day. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out, all that stuff. A little bit overextended here this morning, coming into our sell wall, order block, golden pocket retracement level, a liquidity zone above us. We haven't totally swept yet, so we could see another drive up to sweep this high in here. Okay, but nonetheless, looking good. Okay, a nice push up overnight. Can we come back down and retest in here? Okay, we got an order block down in here, so could we come here and bounce? Absolutely. Could we come into here? This is where I'm really looking is 108,300, but our first stop is 108,500. Okay, so we're going to look here first. We'll see we're a bit overextended, big push up, so I would expect some sort of retracement and then continuation after getting rejected from here. Okay, we got bullish divergence overnight coming in, beating up that pink box. We had that the other night too. Okay, so we were prepared. The pink box has been an absolute legend recently. So we can see this, you know, beautiful continuation trade up into here. We were able to take a long in the Discord on this right here, but eventually got stopped out in profit. Then got the extra liquidity sweep and then the send it kind of trade in here. I saw a bunch of you guys get long there. We also had a fart coin trade set up given in advance that some people took as well. So love seeing you guys win. Winner, chicken dinner. Okay, so what are we looking for right now? Where are we at, right? Where are we at and how can we benefit from this price action? Where can we look for trades? And really, when we get into it, what we can see here is a couple of things. Okay, and what is important to me and should be important to you is that we are looking for this breakout, continuation of this big old channel slash flag slash whatever you want to call it. But that's what we're looking for, is to break out. Oh, that was poorly drawn, Mr. Regressive Regression Trend. To break out of this and continue outwards, okay? Are we going to get it? I'm not a fortune teller, okay? Either way, we know that we are in a critical area right now where we're looking to hold 105, okay? We have a nice shelf at 107.8. To hold that level, 107,800, trying to hold that level and push price higher. Okay, targets for the push, just go swing low to swing high to swing low. And we can look at 115, looking at 115, 120, okay, for the push up. If you do want to do like more of a macro one, you can go to this high over here, and you can go to the low over here, and you can see I think it's 119, if I'm correct. 119. Yeah, there you go. So we're looking to get up to that 119, 120 level as an extension. But for now, you know, I don't want to get everybody's hopium up. We are very overextended. We are defending this $102,000 area. We are in a range right now. We're at the top of the range. What do you do at the top of the range, everybody? You short it. Okay? You short it. So coming into some resistance, as I showed you in the shorter term time frames. So can we get rejected back into this area in here and bounce? We hope. Okay, the daily looking okay. A little bit of a rollover here. So can we hold? Money flow coming out. This is a question, right? We're not overextended. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere right now with the momentum wave. So there's an opportunity to push up. Bitcoin rolling over. Sorry, got to check this. Coming down to retest the highs right now, guys. The highs right now, guys. Yeah. So looking for price to come into here, testing the high right now, rolling over. No reason to long just yet, getting everybody a little bit excited. So let's be patient here. Order block, okay? Generally looking here. Okay. Nothing yet, though. Little rollover. We'll see how it gets on. Okay, so the daily's not looking the greatest, if I'm being honest. So we're aware of that. Now, it gets a lot juicier on the 12-hour here, okay? The 12-hour is printing a green dot with a VWAP crossover to the upside. Nice. Nice, mate. Okay? This is nice. Okay? We'd like to see the continuation of money flow up and this to confirm, and that would be later on in the day. The 8-hour money flow is looking good with a green dot and a VWAP crossover. Another good sign. Another bullish sign on, a mid time frame here. So looking decent. Now the 4-hour told the story yesterday. The 4-hour gave us a beautiful trigger wave to the upside here. Okay. And it looks like it's pushing through. However, we start to get overextended on VWAP. Okay. So if we are looking at this, we are in a descending kind of channel in here. Okay. And we are coming to a point, right? We are coiling. So a decision needs to be made. This is danger zone. So this requires us to be a bit patient here as we coil up, right? And you can see that as well with price action here that we are coiling up. So could we come to the lower part of the range, maybe a fake out and then go? Okay, I ain't no fortune teller. I'm just here to tell you what the options are. Okay, we're at the top of the range. We are in a rejection zone. We are overextended to the upside. We would look for a retest continuation trade here. Okay, we are still in an uptrend. You're still in an uptrend. This low has held. Okay, so looking good nonetheless, but we need to be aware that, we've pushed aggressively overnight. Everybody's buying the top. We're not those people. Okay, and we're going to wait for a potential continuation trade. Okay? We are in a mini downtrend here. Okay? Why is that? If we look at this on like a 1 hour, we have closed candles below the low here. Okay? This suggests that we could be doing something like this on a shorter term time frame. So we need to be aware that this could be a potential reversal to the downside. Potential. Okay? We can't just all be bulltards. It's not going to help us make money. We have to see both sides of the story, okay? We look at the 3, the 2, and the 1 on market cipher. Like I said, VWAP's getting overextended to the upside. Money flow is red. Okay, the 1 hour here crossing down, rolling over. So caution here. Okay, looking for a retracement continuation here. Then we get into our shorter term time frames like the 24, getting overextended here, pushing down, but beautiful money flow coming up, looking for a reset on VWAP. So we're looking for VWAP to do something like this, come back in, right? Money continues to go, and then we flatten out here. Okay, that's the hopium. The 12-minute, same deal. Rolling over right now. Flattening out on VWAP. Looking for a bounce. We'll see if we get it, okay? So we're prepared. We have an idea of what we're looking for, how we're going to look for it, what's the narrative. Everybody's bullish. We should be aware that they're going to try to wreck the bears and the bulls all at the same time, send it up overnight, wreck everybody who's buying the top this morning because they didn't get the warning in the Discord up here to press sell. Okay. As soon as we got here, I warned the Discord. Before even making the video, I warned everybody. That's why our Discord is the best. Okay? It is. It's just simply the best. Better than all the rest. Okay? You come in here, you go here. I go, oh, look at this. Sell wall. Approaching. Resistance. Everybody knew. Then I made my update video for you guys so that you guys were aware. So you guys could have shorted it. That's all I'm saying. I was getting, I was waking up. But, prepared traders. That's it, right? That's the way. Look at all the good mornings in the gang here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Cameron. Good morning, Wave Cypher. Good morning, Post Malone. Good morning, Django. Good to see you, Crypto King. The best Discord in all of crypto. Come over and join if you do want to. I mean, we got a testimonial yesterday. Oh, my God. Trying to make me cry, Luke. I've been here for a year. I'd read it to you guys, but you guys should come over and read it. It's It's incredible, man. Love seeing the gang grow. Love seeing people win. It gets me emotional when I see people, changing their lives and making a difference. Pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. Very grateful. It's cool to see. You buy and sell pink boxes. Woo wee woo. What's going on, our pink? Good to see you, man. Franco, good morning. Good to see you as well. Kev, what's going on? So we're waiting here. Can we come down into here? We'll see. This is a little bit of, this looks like we're close to our golden pocket. If we're doing like an impulse local golden pocket. Yeah, so we're stuck in the mid. I prefer the 786 because there's an order block down there. So we're stuck in the middle right now. We don't want to split too many hairs here and, get analysis paralysis. We want to be aware of where we're looking to go. Okay, so for me, I would prefer to look at this fib. If we're going to look at a fib, it would be this low. Okay, and it would match up with the liquidity down below. So we could drag our box in here a little bit lower, right? And we could change this to a buy level. Okay, so it includes the liquidity sweep, the golden pocket, and the order block, right? That's how I would prefer it. Maximum confluence in one area is what we always try to achieve. Okay. Right now, stalling out. Pretty slow price action. We can see that through the VIX. The VIX here has been quite dismal right now. Picking up a little bit yesterday, overnight here, up into like that 18 zone. But right now, it's literally slow AF, right? So I like it around 20 to 22. This is my sweet spot. This is where like I'm making moves, man. I'm making moves. Okay, when we get above this, it's just like, it's ridiculous. It's like you better be like a ninja. And I am a ninja at times, but it's like exhausting trading when it's up here. The SPY, a pullback yesterday, which is good. Okay, the pullback yesterday on the SPY, coming back, getting everybody a little bit, wrecked, really just grabbing liquidity, right? However, a nice recovery, beautiful candle recovery in here. So pushing back, looking to come back up. We gapped down. We gapped up. We gapped down. So we look to fill the gap up here at 6270-ish area. So we'll look for that. Right now we're holding kind of this level in here. And we look to come up to the highs here. Okay. Very nice movement so far for the SPY. I mean, up only. The NASDAQ, same deal. Okay, the NASDAQ here, we had a nice retracement as well, but really just trudging along here, continuing to trudge all the way up here, right? Doesn't really care, just keeps plowing along, right? So looking for the bounce. This bounce yesterday allowed me to get long on Bitcoin. So always using the US 100 as a, sort of a metric here. I like marking out support and resistance just so I know, okay, we found respect here. Right, we found resistance here. Okay, we found support here. So what am I looking for over here? Okay, and if this is happening here and it translates into Bitcoin, what happened yesterday with Bitcoin? Well, we got our double bottom and our recovery, right? Okay, it's not perfect, but it helps, right? It's a little bit of a guide, right? So keep that in their back pocket. Use the US 100. Otherwise, you got to pay for the NASDAQ. The US 100 is a little bit more snappy and accurate in comparison to the NASDAQ. That's why we use the US 100, because it's you got to pay for the NASDAQ. I don't mind paying for the NASDAQ. It's like an extra, I don't know how much it is. I haven't looked for the live data, right? But the US 100 is sufficient, okay? So we have pushed up here. We're holding the lows here, looking for continuation to the upside here. Bitcoin, flat, slow, okay? So hopefully we get some volatility. No news data today, just, Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump always dropping some bombs every day. We can always look forward to Mr. Trump. Crypto Rob saying good morning. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Can always prepare for that. What's going on, Jay Violet? Good to see you in the chat. Bull Runner French Toaster in the chat. Hola, LJ. What's going on, LJ? How you been, B-Rad? Good to see you as well. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out, smashing up like buttons. Magic Mike, what's going on, bro? Good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. Franco, Jesse, good luck. Wix wife, fine 89. What's going on, wifey? Good to see you as well. Kev, Daniel, Alex, can you please explain how you pull out the sell wall or the buy walls? Do you use any extension or do you use the chart patterns to figure it out? Yeah, so with the buy walls and the sell walls, I will go through and mark on my chart. I will look for, order blocks. I'll look for Fibonacci levels. I'll look for volume levels as well. Okay. And they're all going to play a part, right? And then you put them all together and you get your magical special key levels, right? And with those key levels, you're looking for a reaction, right? I can't tell you what, if price comes into here, I can't tell you what to look for, right? I do multiple lessons with the gang. We talked about it yesterday of what a reversal looks like, how to get into a trade here, how to manage your risk, how to execute the trade, right? But, it's a makeup of a bunch of things, right? What is the most important level within here? Why are we looking here, okay? Let's answer that question. Well, we have 1, liquidity in the low, okay? Is this a golden pocket? No. Weird. Why didn't you mark it the golden pocket, Alex? Because in this range, before the golden pocket, volume takes precedent over this area. Okay, so we look at this on the 4-hour. Not even the 4-hour. We don't even need to look at the 4-hour. We can look just locally. We can see there's a massive shelf of volume here. Okay, so we want to see that shelf defended. If I pull it back further, you can see how big this shelf of volume is. Okay, look at this big chunky monkey in here, okay? So we want to see that defended. If it defends it, then we have strong market structure to the upside, okay? So we're going to prioritize really areas of maximum confluence. Not because it's just a golden pocket. Like, everybody in the Discord knows I separated all my boxes. I have singular. I got the 382. I got your golden pocket 786. I got your order block. I have all of these targets and whatever, right? Like, I have singular confluences. At the end of the day, we want the most amount of confluences in one area. Okay, so if everything in this box here is saying, oh, liquidity, order block, retracement zone, then this is where I'm looking for price to get rejected from. Very simple. Okay? And does it meet, what a reversal looks like? Okay? So what do we have in here? We have bearish divergence, a retest, a mitigation of the low, a retest, and a rollover. Okay? So you could justify getting short in here if you wanted to. Okay, I would prefer, myself, to see more in here. I would prefer to see like an SFP and then go. Okay? But we know this is going to act as resistance. We are in an uptrend, so we do not want to fade this uptrend. We want to be prepared for this to continue to push, so we don't want to necessarily short it. Nice break of momentum here. Pushing back. Very pathetic retracement, in my opinion. But it is pushing right now. 8:34. Thank you, everybody, for being here. But price action is going to tell us what's going on. We talked about it yesterday in the Discord, too, about volume, market structure, price action, and liquidity. If you don't understand these, do yourself a favor and go and learn them. You won't be able to trade effectively if you don't understand these things. This is the bee's knees. If you don't understand this stuff, you shouldn't be trading. Okay? It's critical. It's critical to understanding the way the market moves. how to take advantage of it, and how to have good trade setups. That's the thing. It's like if you don't have that, you don't have anything. And we did like a 30-minute video on it yesterday for the gang. Didn't we? Was it 30 minutes? Yeah, it was long. We're calling this 20 minutes, 20-minute video. But that's the key, man. You got to learn that stuff. If you don't understand that, you don't understand what's going on here, right? You're like, oh, fair value gap, retracement, whatever. I don't know what you're looking at. Okay. Where's the liquidity? Right? What are we banging our heads on? Have we taken all the liquidity? Does it still remain? So if we've come down this far, does that give us incentive to come back here? Absolutely. Right? Have we gone up only since here? Where is the imbalance in price action within this run up? Right here and right here. Okay? You see, after this low, up only. No real constructive price action. Very much up only. Look at this. Big shot up, crawling up, big shot up, little retracement. There's a bit more constructive. Shot right up, retracement. So right in here is where I'm really interested in if price comes down. So sweep, bounce, right? That's how we plan the trap, right? Always got to plan the trap. Because people are longing. The FOMO this morning, London session, all the Londoners, all the British people are getting long in here. Now they're getting wrecked. Okay, except Darren. Darren's probably short from the highs, and he's long from the bottom, okay? Because Darren knows what he's doing. Okay? Oh, man. What's going on, Brumbelow? Good to see you, bro. How you doing, man? Teach us something new each day. Start with Fibonacci. Maybe spend 5 minutes a day in something new. Short from 110. Yeah, of course you are, bro. Short kings, baby. That's it. I teach a lot. I teach like 3-4 times a day. So, I mean, I save it for the Discord members mostly. And there's tons of videos on the channel. I mean, tons of videos. Thanks, Brumbelow. Thanks, Brumbelow. God bless you, bro. Fibonacci's pretty easy, man. Swing low to swing high to swing low. Impulse moves, full moves, right? So if you got a move like this, there's Fibonacci in between. That would be a rejection. Let's make this a rejection. Right? So you have your impulse moves in between, swing low to swing high. No trade here, everybody. It's just tripping everybody up. Swing low to swing high. Swing low to swing high. Okay? Impulse moves in there. And you also have the big move. Okay? Let's make this one lower. Let's say it hits the 786. Yeah, you got the big move. From swing low to swing high. All right, there's your 786 tap right there. And then let's say this is your golden pocket here. So you have swing high to swing low. Okay? And the impulse is in between. You got to know how to pull them, though. You got to know how to pull it, man. Right? You can go in here, and you can go swing low to swing high, and you can get that golden pocket, right? But is it that one, or is it this one? That's where the skill comes in. You got to know how to pull the fib right. What will help you is getting on like a 15-minute time frame, okay? This will help you. You can go swing low to swing high here. You get a 382 bounce, okay? You can go swing low to swing high here. That would be your 382 that we're at right now, okay? But it's all about adding that to what's already happening on the screen. You can't just use a fib level. And some people do, of course. You just trade the fib zone. And their stop loss looks like this. Okay? That's cool. But you need market structure, and you need liquidity, and you need price action, and you need volume to tell you which way price is going to go. If you can't interpret that, you're not going to succeed. Kind of like this right now. It's holding this break of momentum here. Do we got the 5-minute camel toe pattern? No, just the 3-minute moose knuckle. I guess that's a 3-minute moose knuckle here. It's kind of like lopsided. No wonder I'm demonetized, man. I just talk so much smack. What's going on, Pink? Good to see you, man. Do a fib on Bonk? We don't trade Bonk, man. Bonk is up only. Isn't Bonk just ripping to the moon right now? I don't even look at it. Bonk. Daily. Yeah, you're going to pull a fib from swing low to swing high here. There's your fib. Or you can go locally if you would like. So you'd go from your impulse here. So your local fib would be from the low here to the high here. And because it's an aggressive bounce, you would have been looking at your 382. You got a support level here, so you're looking down in here for bonk, okay? So that would be your bonk level here. And you'd look here for a retracement, okay? Or locally, 15-minute time frame, you could go swing low to swing high. So this is your local fib here, which is just the bottom of the range, really. You can see how this one bounced off of here, but if you do volume across here, and Bitcoin's just flat right now, guys. I'm watching Bitcoin on my other screen. You can see that you have a bunch of volume in here as well, so that would add confluence to your level, liquidity zone in here. So you'd be looking in here for bonk. Okay? Same kind of deal. You just got to know what the heck you're kind of doing. And then you got to execute with good risk management, proper size. Okay, that's the hard part. You can find all the key levels in the world, but if you don't know how to execute with the proper size, the proper 1% risk management over and over again, rinse and repeat with high probabilities, you're going to fail. That's the truth. Crow's pumping. I used to have some crow token, crypto.com, right? There you go. Big old dirty candle. How bad is this chart? Yeah, this chart's bad. No, thank you. No trade here. Still waiting, everybody. 12-minute VWAP's coming up right now. Still bleeding out on money flow. Gonna get rid of this stupid trend line for now. I just like to track momentum to see where we're kind of going here. We do have this nice momentum coming up through the bottom here. Okay. That would be more ideal. If we lose this, then we look to come much lower. You could be sharper with this if you wanted to, so you could come from the low. I would go from the impulse low. If you lose this, you can look for that. But obviously, this is our bounce level, so kind of mixed signals here. Looks like Bitcoin's continuing to ramp up here. Nice little retracement, continuation here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out this morning. We got 290 people in here. 190, no, 95 likes. I thought we had 100 likes already. I don't know. It's kind of slacking on the likes in here. I think you guys can do a little bit better. We'll see. Nasdaq pretty flat, rolling over. Bitcoin slowly creeping its way up. VWAP below us. We do have a pivot above us here from yesterday at 109,600. So we could be targeting 109,600 today. We do have a sell wall up there as well. Looks like Bitcoin is pushing here. Getting above this high, I like this now. Little market structure shift on the small time frames here. No candle close. SFP of the high. Retest back in. Okay, low patience here, everybody. My screen is 6 likes. I don't get it. Yeah, sometimes I think you'd have to refresh, Kev. 96 now. Sorry, I forgot. That's why I ask. I think some people just forget to. I know it's a pain in the ass, especially if you're on your phone. You got to press back. You got to hit like. It's like such a hard task. Oh man, too good. Too good. I got to get some more coffee, everybody. Play you guys some music. I'm going to get some more coffee. Might have a little tinkle, too. I'll be right back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Okay. I washed my hands, if you're wondering. Did the song already play? I didn't even check if the sound was working. Yeah, it was working. All right. Pushing here. No trade yet. I do like the structure change here. We do have a structure change, looking for continuation here on market cipher B, looking like we're pushing up. So all is good so far. Got a green dot here on the 12. Nice pushback. Let me know if you're long. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Would love to know. I'm naturally short. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. We'll see if we do continue to push. All right, we got a couple longs in the chat. Have a lovely day, Jay Valet. Sleep well. Later, Magic Mike. Take care, bro. Nice follow through here. So far, so good. Still waiting. Soy milk. What's going on, Piper? Good to see you, bro. How you doing, man? Good morning to you, man. Got a bunch of longs in the chat. I don't see enough otters in the chat lately. I think you guys are all slacking on the otters, but that's just me. 5-minute gap fill, possibly. Was that on CME? That's better. I mean, we were famous. Okay, not famous, but we were known for like the ultimate spam in people's chats. We were always spamming people's chats. Frankie Candles, Army Piper, Jason Casper, Sin City Crypto. Very much so spamming otters in everybody's chat. Just a flood, right? Just an absolute flood. It's like pretty wild. Now, I did get a notification today, and I was kind of waiting. But my today, July 8th, is my YouTube birthday. My YouTube birthday is July 8th, so my YouTube is 3 years old today, guys. Happy birthday to my YouTube. 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 Boob, boob, boob. And many more. All right. 3 years of doing this stuff, man. Hanging out with you guys. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. I guess we'll have to do a giveaway today. We'll do a giveaway. Exciting. I got banned last time. Yeah, last time I sang Adam Sandler, I got banned. Piece of shit car. Yeah. Pretty cool, though, man. 3 years doing YouTube. I don't know. Pretty wild. Pretty wild. Just grateful. I mean, I started YouTube to get better at trading. That's why I knew that I would learn faster if I kind of regurgitated what I was thinking onto the screen. So I did the YouTube to kind of get better at trading because naturally by talking it through with you guys, I got much better at just seeing it for myself. Okay. Looks like Bitcoin's just running away right now. But yeah, pretty cool. We'll do a giveaway. We'll give away a couple memberships maybe if you guys behave yourself. Kalut, good morning. Albert Rajag, good morning to you. Look at all the thank you guys for the happy birthday YouTube wishes, well wishes. Almost at 15,000 subscribers. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. I think never paid for a subscriber in my life. Never really tried to. I wasn't really trying to grow. I was just hanging out here. The channel exploded once I started trading live. Like I was at like whatever 4,000 to 3,000 subscribers, and then once I started trading live and just doing what I normally do every single day, which is this. This is what I do for my living. The channel grew, so it was pretty cool, man. I used to do all those videos, top-down analysis on Cardano coins, and but that helped me. That helped me get better at doing TA. And that's the one, man. What's going on, Clay the Great? Hootie hoo, baby. Let's go, let's go. I mean, someone gifted me the theme song. Pretty wild, man. It's been a pretty cool journey 3 years in. Seeing like new people come in, new creators. Always support the little guy, man. Or the new creator. That's what it's all about. Yeah, like go subscribe to Wave Cypher. How long have you had your channel, Wave Cypher? You just started, didn't you? 237 subscribers. Go and subscribe to Wave Cypher. Giving you guys a whole bunch of alpha as well, man. Right? Those are the people who you don't even watch an altcoin daily and ish like that, man. Right? Right? Good morning, Colin. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, man. Still waiting here to see if we can continue.
90.
Nice pushback for Bitcoin right now. Come on, Betty, push, baby. What the F is going on here? Good to see you, Tomas. Thank you for being here, man. Thank you, Stack. Thank you for your support, man. I appreciate your support. It means a lot to me. Right now we're waiting, Tomas, waiting for a possible retracement. No trade right now. We would be chasing price if we got long here. So, I mean, a nice little push up here, 0.2%. Continuation up. Coming into the top of the hour right now, 9 o'clock is about to hit. We'll check our hourly or half hour. Thinking we could get an SFP here. If we get an SFP here, we'll short this thing down to 0. Do have a target above us as well, 109, 160. Not a very clean retracement. I mean, a retest of the highs. I'd prefer lower, obviously, when we were looking down here. But a nice bounce nonetheless, okay? To me, this is trapping. No reason to long just yet. Still waiting here. Very painful volume, really. I appreciate you, Rob. My my mic, I got it switched. Maybe I don't think I can beatbox in it right now. Boom boom. No, it's not working. What the heck did I do to it? I put it on broadcast. Yeah, I can change it back to regular. Now it's on regular. There you go. It's all there. I still got it. It's somewhere back there. Is he man or machine? You trading any alts? Of course, yeah, of course. We trade alts in the Discord. I mainly scalp Bitcoin, but I trade alts in the Discord. We have multiple setups and trade setups. Fartcoin last night. Yeah, we do. Okay. Multiple trade setups, altcoin TA, Sui, Fartcoin, you name it. We trade it. We got all the setups here. You're going to screenshot all the setups and zoom in if you want. But all right, Jason's over. So now I don't have competing TA. I love Casper, man. Casper is an absolute good human. God bless Jason Casper and the whole Casper crew. I think, whatever your style is, as long as you're, practicing good risk management, being profitable, showing your trades, taking the trades, helping other people. I think that's the whole point. I'm not here for your trading's lonely, man. I'm here to hang out. That's it, man. I mean, who's got the patience to sit here and just watch candles like this all day? I do, but it's nice doing it with you guys, right? I let you guys know what I do and what I see, and hopefully we can navigate these charts together. It's never easy. It's not meant to be, but it's more enjoyable together. That's why, we like to say good morning. Don't be a lurker, right? If we're in an office and you're like that dweeb with the pencil protector in the back corner, picking your nose and wiping it on like the door handles and stuff like that, like you can leave. Don't be a douche canoe, man. Say good morning. Hang out. We're all in it together. Right? And talk a lot of smack too. You got to be prepared. Like, I can't help it. I was a carpenter for 13 years. Okay? I can build a house from start to finish with my eyes closed. Pretty much. Except when we're framing the roof, okay? So you're going to get some sick nasty commentary sometimes. CryptoFace is going live. God bless Face, man. CryptoFace sponsors this channel, man. He sponsored me when I had like 2,000 subscribers, man. God bless CryptoFace and the Market Cipher crew. I was on Trading Wars and I was profitable every single week. Okay? Every single week I was profitable on Trading Wars. And I faced CryptoFace in the finals and he handed my ass to me. I made like, I don't know, we were trading with $1,000 account. I made like $30. He was trading one cat and trading the spread, and he made like $200, and he won the competition. But after that competition, he sponsored the channel. because I was on Trading Wars, and I was the only trader to be profitable every single week. I'm just saying. But he definitely Sin City Crypto, what's going on, guys? Sin City Crypto, the family. David, if this is David, I think David at one point wore a pencil protector, man. What do you think, David? I love you, bro. I think he wore a pencil protector. We're doing a giveaway today. We might as well let's pump. Let's pump. We got an updated Caspa video here on Sin City Crypto. Let's go over to Sin City Crypto here. These guys are family. Let's go over to this video. Comment Otter Gang. Like the video. Subscribe if you're not. Otter Gang. We're going to go over here. Come on, let's get those numbers up, everybody. Blow up the Caspa video, everybody. We'll do a giveaway, and then we're going to do a wave cipher after that. It's my 3-year anniversary, David, for my channel. We're 3 today on YouTube. So go over to here. Comment Otter Gang. Okay. And we'll do a giveaway for a month's membership here for our Discord. So thanks, man. You just keep showing up. You know how it is. Go over to Sin City Crypto. Comment on that video, please. And look at how handsome David looks, man, with that super setup they got.
The year was 2024. I made this video.
So handsome, man. I need to get it. I want a desk like yours, man. When I grow up, I want a desk like that. Maybe I'll get my new desk. I'll get it like that in the new place. So go over to that video, comment Otter Gang, and we'll do a comment picker here. Watch out, flashbang, everybody. Ow. Okay. Here's the video. If you are already a member, we'll give away some USDT. Okay. Make sure you type the word otter to be entered, okay? And we'll do the giveaway. Okay? I'll give you guys a couple more minutes. Go over to the video, comment Otter Gang in the video, and like, subscribe to Sin City Crypto. They are family. And we'll do one more after that. Later on, maybe at the end of the show, we'll do it. I am live today at 2:30 as well. You got to go comment on the video, ANJ, Otter Gang. Go to the link, click on the link, comment Otter Gang on the Caspa video here. I don't see enough Otter Gang comments
Month was
here.
December.
Let's go, Otter Gang, in the comments down below. Let's see it. And subscribe. Of course, subscribe, man. Slow motion right now. 9:09. We got 20 minutes till market opens, everybody. A little patience here. We had a little bit of a long opportunity. We could have, smacked it right here, but it didn't come into the level I wanted. A little bit of patience here, everybody. Let's go over here. Comment Otter Gang, everybody.
Month was December.
There we go. Let's go. Okay. 55 comments. Doing well. Subscribe to the Sin City Crypto. They're almost at 100K, man. Great work, guys. I remember when you guys were at like 16,000. Great work, man. I love seeing you guys grow, man. They had me on their show probably 2.5 years ago. I don't know why. I don't know why they did it. I didn't even know what I was doing, let alone what, Thank you, guys. I'll always be forever grateful to them. The golden god. Alex is so good at trading. Oh, man. That's too funny. That's too funny. I'm like,
The month was December.
I don't even know if I want to be Canadian anymore at this point. All right, 78 comments. That's plenty. All right, make sure you guys are subscribed as well. Let's go over to our comment picker. Here comes the flashbang. All right, 5 and 1 is 7. Okay. You guys commented Otter, right? Otter, no duplicates. Otter gang. Okay, you're going to pump those Caspa numbers, please. Okay. We gotta queue up the beatboxing for this one. I'm sorry to everybody who doesn't like the beatboxing. It's tradition. Why is there only 2 people? Is it broken? I think it's broken. It's broken. It's just me and Jay Violet. Otter. Yes. 7 and 2. Get comments. Only 2 unique comments. What's going on with this? I got to restart this thing. What the heck's going on? Why is it giving me a hard time? Bitcoin retracing right now, no trade. It is rigged.
The month was December.
I think it's rigged too. YouTube comment picker. Paste it. Filter. Otter. Okay. 8 and 6. That's a hard one. Sometimes these are difficult. I think that's 15, right? 64. Now we're cooking, baby. Let's go. Jacob Cross. Let's go, baby. Jacob Cross. Congratulations, Jacob Cross. Come over to the Discord, claim your subscription. Or if you're already a member and I don't know who you are, maybe you should just come over and claim it. Congratulations. Bitcoin retracing right now. Jacob Cross, come over to the Discord. Prove yourself as Jacob Cross, and we will hook you up with 1 month membership. We'll be doing another giveaway. It is our 3-year-old channel anniversary. So pretty cool, man. Just grateful. Thank you for being here. Congratulations, Mr. Cross. We'll give him $50 as well. Look at that. Jacob Cross. Go, once you identify Jacob Cross, there we go. Splash landing. What's going on, man? Congratulations, bro. We'll get you, congrats, man. Thank you, everybody, for supporting Sin City Crypto. Make sure you go and watch their show every day, Monday to Friday, 2:30 Eastern Standard, no, 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. Sorry. I think it's 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. I get all times mixed up. Since going to Vegas, I'm all messed up with the time. Make sure you tune in. Support David. Sometimes Rob picks on him. We love Rob too, and Ashley, but got to support David, especially when David gets a new haircut. Okay, don't make fun of David's new haircut. We love David. Okay? And thank you guys for supporting the channel. And David said he would give you $50, so I'll somehow hook that up. I'll message Sin City, and we'll figure that out, man. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting Sin City Crypto, the family. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for pumping those numbers, helping these guys. Let's try and help them get to 100K, man. Make sure you guys are subscribing and hanging out with these guys, man. Alpha every single day, man. Literally the best setup in crypto, in my opinion. I've been to their studio. It's incredible, okay? It's incredible. We mainly love Rocco. Amica mia. That's the one. Rob's annoying. Yeah. Yeah, we know it's you, David. Oh, man, too good. Who's the one that likes pencils? I don't know. You'll have to go to the show and find out. Good morning, gang, gang, gang. Let's see those otters in the chat. Thank you guys for supporting our family, our friends in the space. It's always good. Bitcoin, 950 and coming into market open right now a little bit double toppy, obviously. Anchor trigger wave trying to push down right now. A little bit of a retracement after up only, trapping longs up in here. It's a little bit of patience right now. I'm still looking down into this order block for a retracement. We'll see if we get it. Possible liquidity sweep. Nice momentum to the upside. No trade right now. Just chopping about. NASDAQ has popped back up to the top of the range. Okay, so it's chopping as a range right now, consolidating sideways. Can it break and go, right? Can it get going? We do have a nice V-shaped recovery for the NASDAQ, looking strong. The SPY, like we said, looking good as well. If we check the ES, just for a little bit of confluence in this area, we can see that has pushed up. So possibly a little gap up this morning for the SPY. So maybe we get like a little bit of a retracement continuation for the SPY. We'll have to wait and see. But a little bit of a push up here for the SPY. Bitcoin, overnight, a little bit of a push. Not bad. We did some top-down analysis. Now, the mid-time frames, so like the 4 to the 12-hour look really good. Okay, we got like green dots printing on the 12-hour, the 8-hour money flow with the green dot VWAP crossover. The 4-hour trigger wave, it played out quite nicely last night with the 3 white soldiers all the way up here. But when you get into the 2 and the 1 here, it looks as though we're getting a little bit overextended to the upside. So we could be looking for a little bit of a retracement possibility here, and then a continuation into the later part of the day. Okay, we do have some resistance that we came in and tapped this morning. Our target would be up at these highs at 109,500, currently getting rejected at 108.8. Okay, retracement level first is 108.5, and then we're looking lower at about 108,000 for that key bounce level. Yesterday, the pink box defended itself yet again. That pink box has been absolute fire. Double bottom continuation, bullish divergence, beautiful push up. Now we're looking for the retracement continuation, okay? So we'll see if we do get it. However, we are starting to top out a little bit up here. So if we do manage to lose the low in here, right in here, we could be looking for a potential reversal, continuation down trade. So we lose the low, we look for the reversal and continuation down, probably down to VWAP / these key levels that we're looking for. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up the like buttons, subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and hanging out here. Very grateful for everybody being here and hanging out every single day. Otter gang, gang, gang. So a little bit of patience. That's all that's required right now. I mean, there was an opportunity to possibly get long in here. I didn't really like it. We had the break of the momentum. Could have looked for a continuation up. That would have been a nice little short-term trade. However, I really didn't like it. Forming some sort of flag now. We'll see if we do go, okay? But let's be patient here coming into market open. We got about 11 minutes, so no rush. No rush. As you know, I don't know. Like, I guess some people, like, you guys probably take like 500 trades while I'm just talking through it, which is fine. I mean, if you want to overtrade, that's cool. I mean, it's totally up to you. And maybe you're trading like more of a swing trade or whatever you're into, but it's good, man. And I think that's the best thing about trading is that everybody, you know, on here I have people tell me, "Oh, anchored VWAP, oh, 200 moving average, oh, EMA cross," and it's like, cool, man. Like I'm happy for you. Like I am happy for you that you found out a way to justify entering a trade. You're using good risk management. You're doing what you're supposed to do, right? That's it. Besides that, I mean, this is not an easy gig. So I hope to help you guys navigate it at the minimum. If you do want to take it further, you join the Discord. We teach you everything we know. And that's the way. Besides that, we just press buy and sell successfully. We're trying to turn 25,000 into 50,000. We're on that journey right now. We still trade with the $100,000 account. Okay, that's still the same. We're just trying to flip 25 to 50. Right now we're at 30, 31, 32. Okay, in 2 weeks. So we've done pretty good so far. And we show you all the trades. I mean, I don't show you all the trades throughout the day, okay? The Discord sees those, and we do recaps and stuff like that. But you see all the trades live. You see all the P&L. You see the losses. You see the wins, right? Yesterday we were 1 for 1 with a win and a loss. We took the long too early. It was right. Where was it here? Yeah, so we took this long right here too early. Right here, got stopped out on this wick down. We should have waited. Then we took the long at the end here all the way up to here, and we broke even for the live stream. I was able to take this long, and I was able to take this long in the evening. Was it this one or this? This one here. This one here, SFP continuation trade. So I ended up having a $400 day yesterday, which is awesome, right? That's with getting stopped out, breaking even here. Okay, that's with the $80 loss and then that $80 or $100 win. Then we had, like, I think this was 150 and this was 190 or something like that. So a good day nonetheless, okay? That's why we use good risk management, right? Because you can take the initial lump and then you can come back kid, baby. Come back kid. So always preaching good risk management, being cheap, trying to mitigate risk, trading live, showing you guys everything I do, what I'm seeing, how I'm doing it, hopefully helping you guys navigate these charts. So thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up those like buttons. Subscribe if you're new. We got 300 people on the live and only 180 likes. I think we can do a little bit better than that. I like 200, so let's get to 200, please. And we'll go from there. Thank you, guys. And make sure you do say good morning. That's the only requirement here, really, is say good morning. Say what's up, man. Okay. What's going on, Saphir? Good to see you, man. How's it going? Scott, what's going on? Good morning. The Golden God doesn't mind that I'm Canadian. Like the video, guys. We have 300 watchers and only 90 likes. Yeah, rookie numbers. Let's go, baby. I went to Crypto Banter Studio in San Antonio. It was bloody nice. That's awesome, man. Bloody nice. Buongiorno, Vincenzo La Spesa. Good morning, my friend. How are you, man? Did you take the fart coin trade, Vincenzo? Successfully ruined another prop account. Eee. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Good morning. Carms, what's going on, man? Good morning, man. Crypto Banter are... Oh, that's not very nice, Dex. I mean, everybody's entitled to an opinion. I stay out of that stuff now. I am like Switzerland with different YouTube shows. I just gonna love everybody equally, okay? Okay? That's it. I don't think, some people are salesmen and some people are genuine. Okay? It's a wild west crypto, okay? I try to be, it's funny how being honest, transparent, and kind in a space like this and just being yourself does, that's what I just try to do. But, some people are, I think greed, maybe it's greed, maybe it's, I'm not saying this is anybody in particular, but I think it's not hard to see. If you're living right, it's not hard to see who's doing who's doing it wrong. That's why I enjoy sending the community to other people, right? To good people like Rob and Dave, right? Over at Sin City Crypto. Good people trying to help people. Putting their money where their mouth is, right? Genuine, kind people. I think that's so important, right? It's hard. Some people are very good at hiding behind a camera, right? And that's, and they're battling for the clicks and the likes and the volume. They're volume hunters, right? which is fine, man. That's their hustle. I couldn't do it. I honestly, I couldn't sit here and just bullshit you the whole time. It wouldn't sit good with me and God. That's how I look at it, man. Wouldn't sit good with me and God. It's I swore twice today already, man. Oh man, I swore twice. I'm back at it, guys. I'm back. I fell off the wagon, guys. Fell off the wagon. We're right back at it. All right. Market opens in 4 minutes, everybody. Hopefully we get some movement. Okay. Hopefully we get some movement. We'll see what goes on here. Still waiting here. Nice retracement continuation here for the price action. We'll see if we do want to continue to push here. Banter is optimized for monetization. Okay. Drew. Good morning, fam. Good to see you, Drew. How you doing, man? Alexandra G. Lifer's another good guy. Yeah, Lifer's a good guy. I've met him in person. Volume hunting. Can you show VWAP settings? Sparky Loft. Yeah, it's a free indicator. VWAP standard deviation bands. I have my second and third group on. Okay. 1-to-1, 2-to-1, and 2.5-to-1. Okay. You can screenshot that if you want. It's all free. Right now we are holding the one standard deviation here, so see if that can hold as support, but not something I'm really like keen on trading just yet. But you can see how well it works when an uptrend, okay? And you can see when you get overextended how well it works as resistance as well. So coming in here, we got market open in 2 minutes, okay? So this is looking okay. If we zoom out, we can see this is starting to put in a little bit of a pennant right now. Double top pennant, right? So we typically be looking for this to break. Or we'd be looking for this to roll over. Right now, short term looks a little bit toppy, hitting this resistance here. I just don't like the fact that we haven't taken this high yet. So could we do the fake out and then the big rug? Possibly. Because this is very aggressive up only, right? So we'll see where we retrace to. I'd like the retracement back down to 108,500-ish area. That's where I'll be looking first. Or we look to, possibly jump on trend and get long in here. But I'm going to have to see some price action, some volume stuff to justify me going long up at the highs here. This is buying the top, so we must confirm with good structure, aggressive take profits. Okay, so whenever you're in an aggressive uptrend here, right, and you're looking for a continuation, I'm very aggressive with taking profits, stop loss to entry, because as you get further down the move, okay, so look at this move here, right? As you get further down the move, it becomes less and less and less profitable, right? Obviously. So getting in short down this move yesterday is mainly why we took longs yesterday, because we were looking for the bounce, because we were starting to bottom out, okay? And same with the uptrends, okay? It doesn't mean you can't get long and make lots of money and get on that trend. It just means you should protect your downside in this environment. That's going to be critical for, just to preserve capital. That's the key here. We need to. What's the number one way to make money is to not lose money, right? 5 seconds here. Market is opening, everybody. Thank you for being here, smacking up those like buttons. 330 people on the live stream. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for being here and hanging out with me. Let's see what we get this morning, everybody. No trades so far. Just waiting, trying to be patient. We'll see what we get. SPY gaps up as we thought. Okay, so we'll see what we get. Maybe a retracement down, continuation up. NASDAQ sweeping the lows. Okay. Bitcoin flat. Trigger wave pushing up. Okay, still waiting here, everybody. Higher highs. Failure to make a higher high here, but higher highs in here internally. Looking for a continuation up. We'll see if we get it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Okay, NASDAQ rolling over. Chop solidation sideways. Very similar on the SPY. The dollar seems to be pushing up quite aggressively lately, so this is bearish if it does continue to push. Okay. Bitcoin rolling over a little bit here, coming down right now. 15-minute double top here. Okay, holding this momentum trend line so far, so good. Indecision. Still waiting here. Little rollover here. Nothing too dramatic yet. Interesting. Volume coming in on that push up. Trying to push price higher. Failure to do so. Looking for continuation. Stuck in the middle. All right. Sweep of the lows on the NAS. Bitcoin looking to roll over right now. VWAP projection off the zero line up here. $24 as well. Rejection off the zero line. Could be coming down here, everybody. Pushing down. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY indecision. Very bearish candle here. Very bearish. Still in an uptrend, though, so we don't want to just smash that sell wall. Retested the lows. Continuation down. Possibility right here. 5-minute wick test. No. Okay. Holding here. If we lose this low, we'd be looking for shorts generally. This is our bounce level, though. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. We'll see what we get today on Bitcoin. Got money flow coming out as well on the short-term time frames right now. 12 minutes trying to push. Hourly VWAP crossover to the downside. A lot of bearish signs here up at the highs. Not looking too good for Bitcoin. We do have a little bit of VWAP ramping on the 8-minute here, trying to push back. Tested the low here. Tested the low, continuation down possibility. We do have a little trigger wave forming here on the 3-minute. Money flow crossover to the downside, though. Not looking too good for Bitcoin right now. Getting everybody a little bit excited this morning, probably rolling over. No trade as of yet. Still waiting here. Coming down for the lows right now. We could SFP here and bounce. Okay, it's an option. SFP, bounce, and continue up. Something like that. NASDAQ bouncing, Bitcoin bouncing. Retested the lows right now. Continuation down. Still waiting here. Just sitting at 108,700 right now. Holding the momentum line. Trying to push back up. Holding this low right now. No trade right now. Just waiting. Doji. Very ugly pin bar doji right now. Indecision at the bottom. We could get an engulfing candle right now if we push back up. Could possibly take the long on an engulfing candle to the upside. We're all talking about who? Oh, Ben Armstrong? God bless him. I hope he finds his way, man. Rolling over here. SFP of the low. SFP of the low. NASDAQ looks like garbage. So like follow through to the downside, everybody. No trade yet. Still waiting here, everybody. What's going on, Philly Skills? Good to see you, bro. Golden God, good to see you. Daniel, thank you for being here. No trades yet, William B. Thank you for being here. Django. He's got his hands under his bum. Now I'm losing my $10 account after your buy shot. After your buy shot. Second breaker starts at 108.5. Geronimo, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. I'm doing well. Doing well. Getting ready for my England trip next week. Got a busy week ahead. Then I'm planning the move in August, so we're moving August. So a lot of things in the air right now. It's a little bit overwhelming, but you know we just show up, man, and keep doing the next thing in front of us. So it's a privilege to be moving, to be traveling, to be hanging out with you guys. I know that. It's just, you know, life can get busy, right? And when it's busy, you can feel a little bit overwhelmed, but I feel good lately, man. It's Tuesday. We've been trading well, seeing it pretty good. Rolling over here, pretty aggressive, guys. Coming into our order block now. Losing momentum to the downside here. Nice rollover for Bitcoin. Order block slap. Come on, baby. Nice roll over here for Biddy. No trade yet. Got to see something in here. NASDAQ rolling over as well, coming for the liquidity in the lows here. SPY pretty flat. Dixie pumping. Yep. Little tap here. Little pushback, little pushback. Let's see if it wants to push. Reclaim range. Considering a short here. Nice pushback. No trade yet. Still waiting, everybody. A little bit of volume coming in there. A little bit of bulls. Bulls fighting here. Nice engulfing candle. Still got a minute on this candle, guys. Nice sweep of the lows. Continuation. Back within the range. Look for a pullback here, possibly. Pullback, considering a long. Good strength in this candle. Here comes our pullback here. And take a stab long. Look for follow through here. Up to the highs. See if we follow through here. Nice liquidity grab down low. Stop loss to entry, everybody. TP1 hit, half out. Let's go, Biddy. Come on, baby. Beautiful SFP of the low here. Look if we can get some continuation. GG's, Otter Gang. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, baby. Coming up for the highs right now. See if we're going to continue to push, baby. Nice trade, everybody. I'll take the second TP at 109. Front run this high here. 109 here. So 109's right here. We go copy price, put that in. Take another half out, and then we'll let it run. If it wants to go, it can go. We'll see if it wants to go. GG's, everybody. Good patience there. I mean, bullish engulfing, wick retest, continuation trade. Looking for follow through here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. God bless every single one of you guys. We in it, baby. We in it. Let's see some GG's in the chat. Come on, Betty, push. I don't see enough otters and GG's in the chat, man. I'm going to get that wooden spoon pretty soon. I'm going to get that wooden spoon out and start spanking y'all. Let's go, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Good patience here, everybody. Very simple. SFP. Liquidity grab down below into our local order block area. Bounce up, reclaims the range. Little comeback trade and continuation out. Reclaims the range. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, baby. Don't fade the trend, right? As long as the trend holds, which it did here, because you have an SFP. TP2 hit. TP2 just hit. 120 realized. Let's see if it does want to continue, guys. Looking to come all the way up here. Today, 109. 109, 600 is our target. Can we continue to push? Look at this trade, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Otter gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Doing it live in front of y'all. Hanging out. Kicking ass. Taking names. These are the days, man. God bless every single one of you guys in here hanging out. Let's go, baby. All-time highs today. We're in it. We'll see if we do push, everybody. Let's go, baby. Now I can ask you for some likes. No? Can I get a like? Orb is in. Okay. We can only hope that the orb is in. Look at that liquidity sweep. Very easy. That was very, very easy. That was such an easy trade, guys. That's how we like it, man. That's how we like it. Why do we get into this, right? So we look at this here, right? We have our bull pennant, ugly thing, right? We can come back for a retest in here, by the way. That's where you're looking to re-enter. If you come back and retest the highs here. Okay, that's where you're looking to re-enter right here. Okay. But what you have here is you have an uptrend, aggressive uptrend, right? So you're coming back to this area, right? You're looking for the sweep, which you got. Reclaim of the range. Okay. Reclaim of the range. Holding, bullish engulfing, continuation trade. You take the trade, stop loss below the low. Target 1. Bingo. Target 2. Right? And now we're looking to let it ride, baby. Okay. Very simple trade. Easy execution. Easy risk management. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, everybody. Congratulations on your gains if you did take the trade. If you didn't, we're looking for a retest continuation here. Okay, so if you didn't take this trade and you're feeling the FOMO right now, that's fine. This is never financial advice. We're just here to kind of guide you on what we're doing. So you're looking for a retest of the highs and the orb in here. So this general area is where you're looking for a pullback continuation, right? Everybody's buying the top right now, not us, right? And we're looking, if I miss this trade, I'd be looking here for follow through. Great job, everybody. Congrats, everybody. Now, we are coming up to some resistance here. If we zoom out and we take a look here, we have this downtrending area here. So we have this coming through. And we're approaching that as we speak right now. Okay. Be more accurate with that. So we do have a little bit of turbulence in here if we do continue to push or not. See if we want to continue here. Congratulations, though, and on your gains, everybody. We in it. Still got 40,000 left on the trade here. Continuing to push. We'll see if it does want to continue. Good job, everybody. Yeah, looking to get a 109.6. First resistance is going to be, well, obviously we smacked this previous day. Probably a previous day, what would it be? Previous day open or close? No, probably close. No? High? It's not previous daily high. Previous day open? No way. It is. Okay. Here's our retest coming in right now. This resistance has been swept. Okay, so we had the SFP. This is giving us bearish divergence right now. Okay. This will give us bear divs, right? Slow, fast, right? Bearish divergence. Be aware, we can come down pretty aggressive here. All the late longs, right? Damn, Daniel, that's a big red candle. That's where you would add right there. Bam. If you're adding, that would be where I would add. Bingo. That's up to you though. I ain't your dad, okay? This is never financial advice. You do what the hell you want. Don't get me in trouble, man. I'm only here to guide you with my voice while you're sitting there in your PJs on your wanking chariot just trying to figure it out. Good luck. It takes time. I see you out there. Behave yourself. Okay? What's going on, Wayne C? Good morning. Good to see you, man. Failing to continue here, coming right back down for us. So might get stopped out in profits here. Whoop-de-doo. We can look to re-enter. See if it wants to continue here. SPY, NASDAQ, meh. Bitcoin trying to go. Just waiting here. See if it wants to continue. This is our third year in crypto on YouTube. This is our 3-year crypto anniversary. Pretty grateful having the opportunity to hang out with you guys and share the stuff. So thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. It's pretty cool. What's going on, RS Miller? Good to see you, bro. How you been? DDT. Rejected weekly open. Yes, got to see if it gets above orb. You're right, Darren. What's going on, LBC? Good to see you, bro. How you been? Gang, gang. Let's go. All right, looks like we're coming back. Probably going to get stopped out here. That's fine. It's still a winner. A win is a win. Stalling out here. No follow through. NASDAQ's looking like it might follow through here. So this might be some hopium here for the Bitcoin price action. NASDAQ reclaiming the range, trying to push through here. This might be the hopium we need. SPY ramping. Okay, this might be the hopium. Here's our hopium. A little bit of push. That's why we like getting into these kind of entries, right? Because you're protected here, right? Stop loss is at entry, but we're protected here. Like if it's gonna hold, it's probably gonna hold this, right? Like we said, it's probably gonna hold this. So we're protected down here. If it comes back down in here, you have acceptance back into the range. It's the exact opposite of what happened here. It's a bearish divergence, acceptance back below the range, and then we trickle down. Okay, so but we're protected here, so we wait. And that's it. Chill and trade. The hardest part about this is not taking profit again. Okay. Because if this is a good R multiple, we'd like to make at least $400 from this trade, right? So if we take profit again, we really ruin our upside here. Okay, so it's important to know, we're 60% out of this trade right now. So I got 40K left on the trade, right? So I've taken profit initially at our first target, right? Which was an SFP of the high. We front ran it a little bit. Right now, we look for this thing to push up into here, okay? Depending on price action, we can either take profit up here or up here, but we want to let this thing kind of do its thing. Otherwise, you're not getting that nice win to loss ratio on your P&L, and you definitely don't want to jeopardize that, okay? See if it can continue to push. NASDAQ closing above that support level. Let's see if it holds here. SPY trying to go. Chopping about here on the price action. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. We're here live every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., trading live, hanging out with you guys. God bless every single one of you guys. The gang. That's the one, man. That's the one. You guys be crushing it. Best Discord in all of crypto. Come over and join that. We got a super promotion going on Bitunix right now. If you guys are interested. VIP 3, all that good stuff. If you want to support the channel, come over there. Got a good deal over there. Deposit, bonus, yada, yada, yada. You can come over and join the Bitunix trading platform here. Come over and join the Discord. It's VIP 3 access for 1 month with big deposit bonuses. Let's go, baby. Keep pushing. Let's go, Grandpa. Good job on your AI stocks, man. Bitcoin looking to continue here. Push, Biddy. Push, Biddy. Next stop, 109,300. Look for continuation. Push through the orb. Continuation here. Trying to get up to 109,800 and then all-time highs is the next stop. Oh, no, sorry. 110.6 and then all-time highs. A couple stops along the way. We'll see if we get there, but a nice push from Bitcoin here. We'll see if it does get follow through. Looking good nonetheless. Taking the trades live, hanging out with you guys. Thank you guys so much for being part of the gang, baby. Let's go. Oh, man, that's enough out of me today, guys. It is 9:58. We're in the long. Make sure you guys use good risk management. Practice some patience. Great trade today, everybody. Thank you for being here, hanging out. Smack those likes on the way out if you're enjoying the content. Subscribe. We'd love to have you on our way to 15,000 subscribers. And come over and join the Discord. Much love, everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard enough.